What's going on, everybody? Ocular Prestige here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you through a speed art how I used these images to get this. Now before we start, I just want to quickly say, you read the title right. I think I suck at fantasy art. As a graphic designer, I'm never really asked to do things of this level. I'm usually asked to do posters, book covers, logos, flyers, things that require some sort of digital creation, but not to this extent. However, I see a lot of people online doing these things and I'm just in love with it. I'm a fan of art. As a designer, I appreciate the work that people put into things like this, so I decided I want to give it a try. So I did. And the reason why I still uploaded this video, even though I don't think I did that well, is because I wanted to encourage somebody who's out there thinking maybe they're not too good or they're not good enough for whatever they're trying to pursue. I want you to look at this and use this as an example. We're not always going to be perfect at what we want to do, but you have to start. And if you don't do things that push your abilities or stretch you as a person and push you to your limits, you never grow. And so this is my version of you won't know until you try. So I hope you enjoy this. Let me know what you think in the comments. And without further ado, let's get started. Now, I hate to disrupt what you're watching, but I just had to take a quick moment to thank today's sponsors. And today's sponsor of the video is Envato Nah, I'm just kidding. We're not sponsored. Carry on. All right, so thank you guys for making it this far. There are some things that I did want to explain while we were here, getting close to the end. So the video is almost over. Thank you so much for your patience and watching. There's some things I wanted to explain. Number one, if you'll notice, the final picture that I'm going to put up at the end of this video versus what is showing now is a little bit different. You'll notice that number one, the arm is different, as well as at the bottom there, you're gonna notice the subject has some pants on that I photoshopped in there as well. I made some adjustments, and the reason why I did that was because I noticed when I was doing my final touches on this one, as what you're seeing, that it just didn't look that real. The arm was bothering me. I just couldn't get the arm to match the subject as well as I wanted it to. So I swapped it out for a more mechanical arm, and one that I think matched the size of the subject as well as looked a little bit more realistic. I did change the tubes back there. I didn't really like the shape, so I changed it to something a little bit more uniform. So you'll notice that the tubes in the stomach, I guess the glass stomach of the subject is also changed. Another thing that I know you probably noticed from the beginning, is that the subject was in the frame the whole time, whereas in Most of these videos are actually shot with the subject out of the frame and then brought in later when it's, when they're gonna Photoshop or manipulate the subject. For me, it actually helped me keep my vision in place. It helped me to kind of lay it out the way I wanted and like to stick to that without any errors. Another thing as well is that at the beginning of the recording, you're gonna notice that it just jumps into all 4 of those pictures already blended in. I thought I had recorded that, but to be honest, I've had a lot of issues recording this video. There's another video that I tried to do. It was called Thunderlord. It was like I took an athlete and made them into a superhero, and they were fighting a dragon and all that. And that took me days upon days, and eventually it crashed. So I'm getting these things sorted out as we're going along. But again, I do appreciate your patience. If that's something that bothered you, bear in mind in the future, you're not going to see that. I'm going to do everything I can to make sure that things are a little bit more fluid, and I'm also going to make sure that things are a little bit more easier on the eye, I guess, easy to watch, easy to, I understand some people watching this may be new and want to understand how it starts, how everything goes, in terms of flow. So I'm gonna do my best to make sure that that works. Other than that, I had a lot of fun doing this. I'm definitely gonna try some more in the future. I actually want to know what you guys would like me to try next. I'm trying to try different attempt different styles and different challenges just to kind of stretch myself, as I said in the beginning of the video. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. My name is Ocular Prestige, and this is the final shot. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you love this and you want to download this, let me know. I can set up a link for you to do that. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.